Mosquito. A mosquito is any member of a group of about 3,500 species of small insects belonging to the order Diptera, flies. Within Diptera, mosquitoes constitute the family Culicidae, from the Latin culex meaning gnat. The word mosquito, formed by mosca and diminutive ito, is Spanish and Portuguese for little fly. Mosquitoes have a slender segmented body, 1 pair of wings, 1 pair of halteres, 3 pairs of long hair-like legs, and elongated mouthparts. The mosquito life cycle consists of egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages. Mosquito anatomy: head, thorax, abdomen. The head is the sensory center for the mosquito, where the compound eyes and antennae are located, as well as the proboscis used for feeding. The thorax is composed of 3 body segments, and each segment has 1 pair of legs. As a member of the insect order Diptera, mosquitoes have 1 pair of wings, located on the middle segment. The abdomen is composed of 10 body segments and hosts the insect's digestive, respiratory, and reproductive systems. The mosquito life cycle consists of egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages. Eggs are laid on the water surface. Mosquitoes attracted to humans by various reasons to bite. Carbon dioxide, CO2, released by humans. Sweat of human body. Blood type. Dark color clothing. Perfumes, scent. Alcohol drinking. Human body temperature increases. Mosquitoes are stimulated by a number of factors when seeking out a blood meal. Initially, they're attracted by the carbon dioxide we exhale. Body heat is probably important too, but once the mosquito gets closer, she will respond to the smell of a potential blood source's skin. What can I do to reduce the number of mosquitoes in and around my home? The most important step is to eliminate potential breeding habitats for mosquitoes. Get rid of any standing water around the home, including water in potted plant dishes, garbage cans, old tires, gutters, ditches, wheelbarrows, bird baths, hollow trees, and wading pools. Any standing water should be drained, including abandoned or unused swimming pools. Mosquitoes can breed in any puddle that lasts more than 4 days. Make sure windows and screen doors are bug tight. Male mosquitoes feed only on plant juices, such as nectar, to get the sugar they need for energy and survival. As males do not bite, they cannot transmit diseases. Female mosquitoes feed on blood. Female mosquitoes, on the other hand, need protein from blood for the development of their eggs. To obtain blood, females seek out and bite hosts such as humans, and may transmit disease in the process. Thousands of mosquito species feed on the blood of various hosts: vertebrates, including mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and some fish, along with some invertebrates, primarily other arthropods. Using a microscope or magnifying glass, here are 3 ways you can tell harmless male mosquitoes apart from female foes. Males are smaller than females. Compared to males, females have a more needle-like proboscis, which they use for biting. Males have bushy, hairy antennae, while the antennae of females are a lot less hairy. Mosquito-borne diseases are currently most prevalent in East Africa, Latin America, Southeast Asia, and India. However, emergence of vector-borne diseases in Europe have recently been observed. A weighted risk analysis demonstrated associations to climate for 49% of infectious diseases in Europe, including all transmission routes. Wear head nets, long sleeve shirts, and long pants if venturing into areas with high mosquito populations, such as salt marshes or wooded areas. Mosquito repellents. Mosquito net. Mosquito bat. Mosquito coil. Mosquito cream. Mosquito liquid adapter. Mosquito instant coil. 1. Which chemicals attract mosquitoes to bite human? 2. Mention if you find any easy way to catch mosquito. Please comment your answer in comment box for discussions.